Do you guys want to know how to make a health bar like this? Well, watch the rest of this video and you will find out how. If you don't want to watch the video and you just want the script, I will leave a link to the script in the description below. It does cost money, it is not free, but it will help me out a bunch. So let's just get right into this video. Alright, so we're gonna start off with our UI here. We just have a basic screen GUI, the back, the bar, and some text to do the display. The bar is the green one, the back is the red one. Now let's get to scripting this. So I'm gonna call this actually the health bar. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna insert a local script into it. We're obviously gonna need our health bar. Script.parent is this. Now we're gonna need the bar itself, and then we're gonna need the display. Alright, so now we're gonna need the player, and then we can get the character. And now we need to get the humanoid of the character. That's how we're gonna be able to get the health of the character. So we're gonna do local humanoid is equal to character, and wait for child humanoid. Now, to be able to scale the health correctly and make it, display correctly, we're gonna need a function. So let's make a function. Local function display health bar. Now this function will be the function that will scale this bar to the correct position. So we're gonna need to set a bar size. So we're gonna get local bar size is equal to math.clamp humanoid.health divided by the max health. And then for the clamp, we're going to throw the minimum to be 0 and the maximum to be 1. Now what this math.clamp does is it will check this expression here. If the value is greater than the maximum, it will set that back to the maximum here in the clamp function. If it is less, like let's say it was -1, it would set it to 0. Okay, so now we're going to need to set the size to this bar size. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do bar.size is equal to udim2.new bar size, comma 0, comma 1, comma 0. What this does is it will set the size of the bar to the bar size on the X scale, 0 for the X offset, 1 for the Y scale, 0 for the Y offset. We could see in the size, if we were to scale this, you can see when it gets to 1, that's when the health will be full. And if it were, let's say at 0, we have no more health. Now we're going to update the text, and this is actually super simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to do our display dot text is going to equal health, and then we're going to use dot dot, which is a concatenate function, which essentially just joins two strings together. ToString, this will convert anything in here to a string. We're going to do math dot floor bar size times 100, and then we're going to do another concatenate function here, and we're going to put %. Now, we have to connect this function to when the humanoid loses health or gets health or, whatever. So what we're going to do is we're going to do humanoid get property changed signal. We're going to do health connect display health bar. And now we're going to do humanoid get property changed signal max health connect display health bar. That is going to update the health bar whenever they gain max health or lose health or, whatever, anything to do with the health. And one more thing, we're going to immediately initialize the health bar to be the correct size and everything. Now you can see we've got 100% health, right? And if we were to go into our character here, go to our humanoid, if I can find it, we can do 20. And now it shows that we have 20 health. Let's say we wanted like 50 health. And now let's say our max health was like 450. You can see that that updated the health bar to now be 11% because we have 450 max health and only currently 50 health. If I had 400 health, I now have 88%. If I had 321 health, I now have 71%. So that works. But it doesn't look very nice. It doesn't smoothly move the health bar. And if you don't want that, then go ahead, you're done. That's how you do it. But if you do want that to smoothly move, in this function here, there is an automatic function within Roblox called tween size. And that's what we're gonna do. Instead of setting the size, we're gonna do tween size. So let's do that. Let's separate these so we have some room to work with here. I'm just gonna get rid of this here. I'm gonna do bar tween size. We get our end size, which is what we originally had it setting to, and now we need to get an easing direction. So we'll do enum.easing direction.out I personally like out the most. I will leave a link to the Roblox tweening easing directions and styles so you can pick which one you like, but I personally like this combination with out and then our style as back. We need a time for the tween, so how quickly it'll tween. I'll do 1/4 of a second here. Override, we do want it to override because if the health were to change rapidly, we want those tweens to be able to update and tween to the correct size. So this is our new code here. And now set our health to 80. We can see that it tweens very nicely now. If I set it to 10, 10% health, 75, 75% health, 20, etc. We've got a very nice looking health bar, and this can be used in many different games for many different reasons. If you guys did like this tutorial, definitely hit that subscribe button. Let me know more tutorials you guys want to see. I can really do anything. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.